So I managed to get the replacement panel in place now. Welding not great, it being flux core, blown through, cut in a couple of places. Here. I had to do some filling in places as well. But I'm going to try and get as much as it ground back before the rain sets in. But at least it's in place now. Sort this lip out at a later date as well. But the main thing is it's in place. Just need to grind it off and go back over it again. Because this area was quite thick, I'm thinking about doing these areas with the MIG welder, or getting some gas for my flux core welder, which does gas as well. But just with how thin the metal is, I think even just a little blow throughs that I had here, and this area is double skinned as well. It just shows the amount of heat the flux core welder does produce. But I don't know, see how we go. I'm still pleased with how it's turned out. Main thing is it's in there. It's not in that. So a nice fresh piece at least. I can bolt up the catch and the boot will be able to shut, so win-win. I'll just get these areas sorted after I've ground it all back and crack on from there. Nice one. Right, so that's what it looks like after the first pass of grinding. Needs a good going over. Well, the rain's held off a little bit, so I'm going to try and give it another pass. Sort out what I can sort out. Grind it back off again. That'll be it. Let's get cracking.